Hey loves, it's your girl, Miss Monique Love. I am here with another hair tutorial. I have another lace wig, butter lace. Wow, I'm telling you, look at this. Honey, child, please, am I ready for summer or no? All right, y'all, let's get down to it. This butter lace is by What Lace? Comes in a box like this. Look at that price right here, y'all. $40. And it looks this good. Yes, installed by me. Yeah, let's talk about it. It comes with the pre-pluck. I'm gonna take it out so that way you guys can see. I actually ordered a black one because, you know, $40 is nothing. Very transparent with the lace. It comes all looking nice. It got some baby hairs on there, but I'm not a fan of that. As you can see, they're very, you can make your own. Take it out the package. They make it really tight. And this is, I have the Money Piece Gold on. Money Piece Gold of this brand. Okay, it's almost there, y'all. It's a struggle to get it out the package. There we go. All right, let's talk about this beauty. All right, they come with all different colors, as you can see. Let me get that right for you. I have the Money Piece Gold. My light is bright and glaring. There you go. All right, Money Piece Gold, Money Piece Hazel, Money Piece Rose Gold, Money Piece Wine, Money Piece Caramel, Money Piece Blonde, Flamboyage Mocha, Flamboyage Chocolate, and Flamboyage, what is it? Blonde and 613. And this color that's on there, I'm not a fan of. I like 1B and what is it, 27 and what is it, 33? Yeah, I guessed it. And black always go with everything. Look how that looks, guys. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Let's unwrap it. I kind of threw mine on quick yesterday. I was in a rush. It's very easy to do it. Of course, I use my stocking cap and I use my glue, the black one, and then I use my little spray tan. So here you go. That's how that's looking. Very beauty. Look at that hair dance. Yes. Look at that hair dance. Yes. All right. Had to go get the stuff that I use. Got to be glued. The yellow can. I used a tint on here. Let's look at the tint because you see this color? That don't look like me. But if you spray it, I'm going to spray it already because of course I'm going to use it. So you can see that color. A little spray here. You see the difference? It makes it browner. I'm gonna do the whole thing so that way you guys see how you get the natural color. You have to find what's worked for you. They have all different chocolate. This one is, and it smells really good. This is medium dark brown. It smells really like a nice spray tan. Look at that. I should be showing you guys, but I wanted to get it. You see, that's how it looks underneath. It comes with the clamp here, a clamp over here. Let me put that down, too much in my hair hand. 2 clamps if you just want to wear it regular without a stocking cap underneath. And here's a clamp in the back. Right now it's kind of loose on my head, but it fits nice and secure. You can also sew it down, just an idea. So look at that. I'm going to spray more on the parts that I like to do it. You guys know how to, if you don't know how to install, look at a previous video that I have done on how to cut the lace off. You do it in a zigzag using a eyebrow archer or a scissors, whatever you prefer. Okay, let's get that. Very, very much save me a less step. Alrighty. And when I put this on, one thing I want to mention, it was very easily to rip off. So be gentle with it, because I was in a rush, but normally it don't. So I'm thinking I would consider this lace kind of a little thin in the front, because I'm going to do it like this. Look at this. Wait. Well, I guess I can't really rip it. But when I cut it, it was just easy to rip off on here. So that's kind of good. I guess this is really strong. But you know, you would flip that bad boy over like that. Yeah, but I'm loving it. So now look at my hand. like they say, you do the tan test. Now that looks more like my scalp, don't it? So compared to what y'all just seen earlier, that's how this is looking. Hair is healthy, long. I'm thinking this is about 20 inches. Well, no, not 20, 18. I'll stand so you can see how it looks on me. And butter lace has been really good. This has been my go-to. I done bought like 6 wigs just because I didn't realize that I was gonna gift a sister and a niece with a wig, because they're inexpensive and you need something you can get up and go. And they also tell you how to shake the difference. Excuse my ring light, is very bright. There you go, right there. So the difference with the wet lace is not just straight. You can zigzag the parts, the features and stuff like that. Read the box. But I use the 𝗀്cie glue. I use this 𝗀്cie glue gel as well. I put the gel on first, stocking cap, and then you got the lace tint again. And let's see what we got in my in-rush do. Look, I was in a rush. So, looks pretty good. I could create some edges if I like, but I don't really. You can cut it and do your baby hairs if you like that. But that's how that's looking. Looks really good. Just really quick. Tell me what you think. Comment below on how you like this. Give me some feedback. Did you like the color? Would you try this color? Would you try black or the blonde? Do you like the lace? It looks really good. I'm gonna get the brush. It brushes really nice. It's shedding a little bit because it's brand new, so I'm not sure how often it's gonna shed. Let's see, nothing in there so far, but it's combing really soft. I did try to curl it. You see I got a little bump. I want to give it like a little flow, but right now you can wear it straight, so that way you don't have to worry about bending your curls out the shape. And then also put it up. This is me putting it up. Get you a little hair clamp. We got lint flying everywhere in the blonde. So here you go. I'm gonna give it a stand. Move my chair. All right, this is me. Okay, also I'm sporting the Mo Love leggings. Yes, girl, yes, get this wig. I'm telling you, get this wig, sis, because it's popping. Beautiful, nice spring wig. Look how long it is. Don't mind what I got on. I just did this for the video. About to head to the gym. Y'all make sure y'all stay fit and stay fine. Fit and fine, I like it. But look at it. I'm coming up close so you can see that the part is real, y'all. It's real. The light is bright, but you know, if I don't wear makeup other than the eye and eyebrow stuff, so if you do wear makeup, I'm quite sure it'll look even more beautiful. Trying to get my face right with that 𝗀്cie stuff day 2, so we'll see, because these masks, pandemic, I want it to be over. Anywho, I hope you guys like the video. Please like, subscribe, comment below. This your girl, Miss Monique Love, here with another tutorial. Get you some wigs, butter lace. I hope you guys enjoy. Talk to you soon. Notice like during this video, it looks really white right here. I think they could see the lace. I'm gonna spray some of this on there to see what it do. Excuse me, I'm not with the makeup. You give it a little bit darker. Oh yeah, that looks, it still looks white here. I'm not sure if that's my lace, but that's probably why they do the baby hairs. Look, let's see. Oh, that's much better. Look at that. But I'm just playing here with the wig. Slapped it on real quick last night in 15 minutes. Had to get out and about. But even if you want to do your little French braid, hope that looks cute. Just something to get the hair out the face. Yes, also light here. I would definitely put some more spray because I was rushing to throw it on real quick. This stuff smells so good. I really like this 𝗙𝗲 tinted lace. Look, I'm gonna pull it up a little bit. There you go, right there. You see the lace? Oops, look at that. But you see how good it matched my skin? Like, literally. I don't know. That looks good, y'all. I'm gonna go wipe it off with some alcohol. Make sure you... Much better. That looks cute. Or however you like to wear it. Some people like it slicked down. Me. Okay, that is much better. Just wanted you to see how that tinted lace makes a big difference. And then your stocking cap, I got the regular stocking cap. This is only day 1. I put it on about like 10, well, I'm gonna say about 7 last night, and right now it is 9 o'clock in the morning, so still got to do some touching up, but I definitely like it. I'm gonna turn down my ring light so you also can see how it looks in the natural light. See, look at that, still beautiful, very without the filter of the light. This is me, Miss Monique Love. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, ring that bell. Let me know what you think about it, how it look in person. Will you try it? Have you tried it before? Do you like this color? Asking for a friend, look. Yeah, I gotta do some more touching up and get it to how I like. I'm just giving you a quick tutorial on my new wig alert, because you know I gotta stay fly. I'm gonna cut that down and probably, but I never really wear it back. This is my weekend girl. Definitely loving it, definitely loving the color. So even if you put a little braid, this blonde in the front, popping. Let's get some light on here and get it popping. Cute. Oh, it looks so much better. Well, I really want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share it to a friend. That's much appreciated. I'm just trying to make you glow with me and try new wigs. The butter lace, what lace, what lace. Looks natural, a little. All right. Hey loves, this is another view of how to wear the wig. You just turn the wig a little bit. I like it. And it gives you that look that you like, side part. Just turn it, angle it. You still get a straight part. You can turn it this way. Get it back to the middle part. Or go to the other side. I don't have it glued down, so it's kind of just giving me that look that you may want. Depends on which side you want to wear it. So to switch it up and give yourself another look, just turn it to the side. Sometimes some people do not wear it down. You can put it in a ponytail. I did a little more maintenance. I think it's fairly cute. Stick it down in a ponytail. There we go. Nice little ponytail. Side part here, middle part there, ponytail, or angle part over there. But with all the same, however you want to wear it, it's your hair, you pay for it. Just giving you another idea of how you can wear this hair. I'm about to tie it up and be done with it. Or you can even put a little braid in it. Let's do it. Let's see, how can we put a braid in it? Missing a string. So you can get it out your face. Braids pretty easily. Uh-oh, getting tangled. But so far, I've noticed that the hair is like really, I like it. It's really, what's the word? After you get done getting all the different shades of it, I think it ain't gonna shed as much, but I keep cutting at it. And so I just got me a little lovely braid. So you could kind of give it like that crown look. Fat braid on the side, twist it up and curl it if you like, or continue to braid it. Just another style. Don't mind my edges. that you can wear with the hair. It is cute. Put a ponytail holder at the end, but Pocahontas. See, now if I wanted to switch it back over and do the other side, I would just braid the other side. Y'all didn't see that. Stocking cap on after I'm about to take this off. Okay. Oh, you see my stocking cap, but it's all good. Fat braid, and then I would glue it down if I wanted to wear it like that, and just flip it. Could do a ponytail or do a design in the back. Nice little hair, Pocahontas looking. Let me see, like that. So just playing with the hair, allowing you guys to see the difference of how you can rock this beauty. Once again, this is butter lace. I think I like the middle part, but definitely this is my favorite side right there. That's my part. I like to tuck it behind my ear. I slick my edges down. And then I just like this because I like this side of my face even more. And this side's cute, but I just always be somehow posing like this. You know how we all got to pose like that. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just me ranting about the different hair, letting you see how it looks. Part's great. It looks nice, smooth, not too shiny, but durable. And when it's blowing in the wind, woo, child, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Just came from church, and the hair was just blowing, and it's just so pretty. Let me give it a little brush. I would recommend keeping a brush with you because you want it to actually look so pretty, but that bounce, it got that bounce. It got the bounce. But guys, this is Miss Monique Love. Please like, subscribe, follow, share, comment. Let me know if you'll try this beauty. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.